Now in 2026, I'll be showing you how to earn shitload of money publishing simple books online, just like I have done for this my student that has earned over $2,000 publishing simple books on Amazon in a month, and this my student also who has actually earned over $400 publishing simple books on Amazon. Now, if you are someone who wants to go into the publishing business in 2026, there are key things that you are supposed to know. If you can know and master these key things, it will be very easy for you to succeed in the business in 2026. Now, I have trained personally over 400 students who have actually bought the ZTH Amazon KDP Blueprint and have gone through my training that are succeeding in this business. And the reason why I actually show these testimonies is to show you how this stuff works and how it's also working for people. So if you are going into the business in 2026, there are 5 core things that you are supposed to know if you will ever succeed in this business, regardless of the platform that you are publishing on. It can be Amazon, Kobo, Apple Books. I don't care the platform that you are publishing on, but if you will ever succeed with book publishing in 2026, you have to know and master these core key elements. Number 1 of those elements is knowing what the market wants. I want to say it again, knowing what the market wants. As a publisher who wants to actually succeed with this business, if you don't know the keyword that people are spending money on, you will not succeed. You don't want to write a book just because you are passionate about a particular keyword. You want to spend your time and invest your time in writing a book just because you know that people will actually buy this particular book. So the first thing that you are supposed to know and master as someone who wants to succeed in this business in 2026 is to understand that if you can find the keyword that people are spending money on and are willing to, spend their cash on, this keyword, that when you get this keyword, you know that this is the right keyword for me to, create a book on, and you create a book on it, you are going to actually make shitload of money on Amazon. But if you actually operate Amazon just the way a lot of people have done this year, just by going to ChatGPT to get topics or going to Amazon to check if the number of competitors they have in a particular keyword, you are going to fail. You have to actually go past, the process of going to ChatGPT to actually get keyword. You need metrics to help you validate that whatever I am investing my time to create a book about should be something that you already confirmed through your market research that this keyword is going to sell. You understand? Now, you don't want to create a book based on passion. Amazon is a business, and you should treat it as such. Book publishing is a business. There are people who are making $10,000 on Amazon just publishing simple books. There are people who have had bestsellers just understanding what people want to spend their money on. You are not the one buying your book. So if you should be creating a book in 2026, it should be based on what these people want to spend money on. It's as simple as that. This is the way this business works. And this is how I have actually taught over 400 students. And mind you, I have 400 students, not only Africans, but in over 52 countries of the world, who have actually got into my mentorship and saw, the blueprint that has been laid out to help you succeed in the publishing, environment. Either you are publishing on Kobo, Apple Book, or any platform at all. They call blueprint that will help you understand how this stuff works and how to find what people want to spend money on. The number 2 thing that you should know if you will ever succeed in 2026 is knowing how to create a good book around what people want to buy. You understand? So if you have found out what people want, you have to know how to create a good book around what people want. That is the number 2 thing, knowing how to create an irresistible book. It is just as simple as it is. Most publishers, this is where, they make a lot of mistakes, and these things are interconnected. They know that, okay, this keyword I have chosen, I have gotten this keyword, and this is a high in demand selling keyword. They know that if a good book is being written in this particular keyword, I am going to sell. But they don't know how to create a good book around that particular keyword. They don't know how to structure the book. And one thing I have actually gone to learn, doing the book publishing business, is having to give up everything just because I wanted to really, understand how this stuff works. I gave up a lot of things, trying to understand this business because I really wanted to understand this one. I love writing. Yeah. So I gave up every single thing and focused on the publishing business. So when you actually say there is someone who understands this business to the core, I am someone who have actually done it. I have trained people who have actually done it, who are making thousands of dollars on Amazon just publishing simple books. You get? So when it comes to showing you how to create a good book, that is something I am very good at. So it is not just to find the keyword, it is also to create a good book around that keyword that you found. And this is how book publishing simply works. Find what people want to spend their money on, create a good book around it. And number three, if you will ever succeed in 2026, please pay attention to this. You have to learn how to market what people want to spend their money on. If you find what people want, you've created a good book around what they want, you have to learn how to market that book you've created around what they want to this particular target audience. So if there are 30,000 people searching for a particular keyword on Amazon, and you see that these 30,000 people, you have shitload of these people, spending their money on this book because it's a high demand keyword, you have to know how to push this book to them. Depending on organic sales alone is not the way to go in 2026. You must learn how to push your book with ads. That is why the launch period of your book, that first 30 days, is a critical stage. It is called the honeymoon period. It's a critical stage for you to help that book sell for a long time. There are some books that you can do on Amazon or any other platform, and it can pick up sales, you understand, organically. But selling for a very long period of time is what you need to set your book on. That is why you have the optimization phase when it comes to your book publishing business. Because what most publishers actually do is, when they have written their book, and mostly they use ChatGPT, which is not structured well, the book didn't come out well, and the next thing they do, they upload the book on Amazon or any platform that they are publishing on, hoping that they will sell. You understand? Now, if you would succeed in this business in 2026, you don't have to put or base your publishing business based on hope. You have to make sure that if you will be putting that book out there, you'll be sure that even before writing the first chapter or the introduction of that book, you already know that when you upload that book to Amazon, it will sell, because you understand what of writing a book, a good book is. You understand what optimization is, and optimization is what makes you succeed on Amazon. You understand? You know what to do to your product page to make it come out well. Now, if you look at this page, this is one of my students, who has actually bought my course like a few months ago. You understand? And this is what he has been able to do. As you can see on the screen here, he has been able to, what you're actually seeing is trying to actually optimize. He's optimizing his page for long-time sellability, which means if you optimize your page just the way he is doing, your book will sell for a very long time, which is done in the 30 days period that your book is live. And what actually happens in the 30 days period, that first 30 days that you uploaded your book and the Amazon sent you an email that your book has gone live, is Amazon helps you in that first 30 days push your book to people who will look at it, who are interested in your book, and they should be able to buy. Now, if you don't know the core elements that can help you sell this book, it will be very difficult for you to sell. You need to, place this element in the right places to make you sell. The first element you need is your book cover, as you get. Now, I don't want to go into details in this particular because I have actually included every optimization process during the launch period section of the course that can help you succeed in this business. If you get, just like I said, I have trained over 400 students in over 52 countries of the world to learn this business and learn how to succeed with it and learn how to make real money with this particular business. Now, the number 4 thing that you need to understand to go into this publishing business in 2026, any platform that you are publishing on, be it Amazon, Apple Books, Google Play Books, Barnes and Nobles, any platform, Ingram Spark, any platform that you are publishing on, you have to understand, go and read their terms of service. You understand? Terms and conditions, terms of service. I don't know what you want to place it. Read that one. The next thing you have to read in any platform that you are publishing in, just like Amazon. If you are publishing on Amazon, read the Amazon. That's first, as you are registering on Amazon, if you are logging into, you are trying to sign into your KDP account, that terms of service, you understand? That terms and conditions. Take your time, copy it, or go to ChatGPT, tell it to get you, the link to Amazon terms and conditions or terms of service. It will get the link to you. Click on the link, go and read religiously what's their terms of services, so that you know what you are doing right and what you are doing wrong. You have to have this knowledge. And the number 2 thing you need to read is their publishing guideline. You understand? Publishing guidelines, so that you know what you are doing in the platform. This is what a lot of people, a lot of coaches out there don't teach you. They teach you how to get keyword. They teach you how to write a book with most of this AI, but they don't teach you what will keep you safe in the platform. How it is not sweet that someone publish a book, you start making money, and in the next few minutes or in the next few weeks you are losing your account. Now this account has generated you over $500 or £500 or €500, and you are losing your account just because you made a little error. You understand? So staying safe on the platform is a key thing that you are supposed to understand going into 2026. Because it is not just about knowing what people want and what you want to put to Amazon or any publishing platform you are. It is about also staying safe on this platform. If you have to download it and read it every single week, these terms of service and publishing guidelines, make sure that you do, so that it will still ring anytime that you are putting up a book, you are researching for a keyword. You know that, okay, these are things that I'm supposed to know. These are what my book is or is supposed to have inside. These are things I am supposed to do. You already know these things. You get, and most courses don't discuss this, comprehensively or extensively. They don't discuss it. They just want to sell you courses so that they make money. They really do not have, your best interest at heart. So these are the 4 things that you are supposed to know. The 5 things that you should have going into 2026 is have a mentor and have a community whereby people can help you. As you are in that community, whereby you are in a community whereby you can ask questions and people can respond to you. So you need a mentor and you need to be in a community. Look, if you will make real money on Amazon in 2026, you need to have these 2 things. 1, a mentor who cares about you. Not just a mentor who can respond to your messages when you have difficulties on any of these platforms that you are publishing on. If you have someone, you get someone's course, and maybe he is into Google Playbooks, he has a course on Google Playbook, he should be able to, respond to your messages when you're having difficulties on Google Playbooks. I get different DMs every single day from my students, and most of the DMs I have, coach, I'm experiencing this. What can I do about it? As someone who is well experienced on this business, I can tell them, okay, this is what you need to do to actually fix your business. You can't succeed in any business if you don't have a strong support. That is why you need a community. You need someone who can tell you, okay, this is what you need to do at this particular period of time. Now that the PPS issue came up, how many people are there to respond to you? How many coaches are there to respond to you? This is what you need to do. These are the platforms that are working now that you can use in creating your Amazon KDP account. If they terminate your account, how many coaches are supporting you? Okay, this is what you need to do. This is what you need to do to actually get a new account. You get? So you need to have that support system to encourage you. Most people don't have that, willpower to help them succeed. They just need that push from someone who really understands that they need this help. You understand? Some people just need extra motivation to help them succeed. Like, personally, I can get the course, lock myself in a room, complete this course and start implementing. But most people are not like that. Most people, you have to check up on them and be like, and this is one thing I actually love about myself, is that if I'm not hearing from a student for a very long time, I have to send them DMs and be like, how is your publishing business going and all that? This is someone who truly cares about you. You understand? So if I don't say you don't have to get a course from me, but you have to get a course from someone who cares about you. And lastly, my ZTH Amazon KDP Blueprint, the Zero to Hero Amazon KDP course, Blueprint course, has been on a discount since, since the month of December, and is ending in the next 31st of December. The offer is actually going off. Now, this is the offer. If you are seeing this video now and you want to actually sign up for the course, instead of the actual price of 30,000, what you need to actually do to get this course is just to sign up with 20,000. That is what you need to sign up, which is about 14 point something dollars. You understand? If you want to sign up for the ZTH Amazon KDP Blueprint. And what you'll be getting is, in the next few months, starting from January, I'll be having a 90 days challenge. You understand? That will help you and show you make your first $5,000 on publishing books on platforms. You'll also be having access. If you are paying this 20,000, you'll also be having access not only to the ZTH Amazon KDP Blueprint course. And this, first of all, the ZTH Amazon KDP Blueprint comes with extra 2 courses. Google, Apple Books and Kobo Books. That means if you write one book and you publish on Amazon, you can still publish this book on Kobo, and you can still publish this book on Apple Books. It comes with 2 other courses, which is like a bonus course. You understand? But adding to that, you'll be having access to my Google Playbooks course. for free if you are getting the course in the next few days, which is 31st is like in the next 2 days time. I'm recording this video 29th of December. So if you are seeing it and you want to actually get into the ZTH Amazon KDP blueprint, all you need to do to sign up is to, either use the number that you are seeing on the screen to contact me on WhatsApp. Just send me a message and say, I want to get the mentorship. Do you understand? I want to pay for the ZTH Amazon KDP blueprint course on the discounted price, and you pay for it. There will be a link and an account number in the description of this video also. If you want to pay through the product page on Seller, you can also click on the first link in the description of this video. Now, what that will help you do is it will take you to the product page and you can pay with your card, or you can pay with transfer, or any means that you can pay with that the platform is providing for you to pay. There will be a promo code. There is a promo code that is already, activated. If you use it, it will automatically place the price at discounted price of 20,000, which or $14 if you are paying outside the country of Nigeria. You understand? Which would also award you, the discounted price. You get, so you are making payments. So these are what you'll be getting. And also, if you are already in the ZTH Amazon KDP blueprint and you want to be among the challenge next year, that will help you in your first $5,000 publishing books. First of all, what you'll be gaining is we'll be having a weekly live section. That means I'll be sharing some strategies with you guys, weekly. You also have a closed group whereby you have this, group of people that are also in the challenge, communicating their progress and all that. So you also have that. If you are already in the mentorship, in the ZTH KDP course, and you want to get in, all you need to pay to get in and to also get the Google Playbooks course is 5,000 naira. If you are not in the mentorship, all you need to pay instead of 30,000, the actual price is 20,000 naira. So I believe you actually gotten value in this video, and 2026 will actually be a very great year for every publisher out there and for any beginner who wants to actually use this as a vehicle to actually make a real amount of money for themselves. Thank you for actually watching this video. As always, I am Value Bank and I'll be rooting for you all from afar, and I'm actually hoping to see you on the inside. God bless you and have a great year ahead.